Greetings to all lovers of cooking and home comfort. Today we will talk about household knife sharpeners, a simple but important tool in every kitchen. Many people think that such sharpeners are short-lived, and in some ways they are right. However, with careful use, these little helpers can serve faithfully for a long time, keeping your knives in working order. Let's look inside an ordinary household knife sharpener and figure out how it works. Inside the body, there are sharpening stones of different grain sizes. They are responsible for sharpening the blade. If you look closely, you can see that some stones are already heavily worn. This is a natural process with regular use. But did you know that you can extend the life of your knife sharpener? To do this, just carefully remove the sharpening stones and turn them over to the other side. This simple operation allows you to use a fresh surface of the stones and significantly increases the service life of the tool. Be extremely careful when performing this procedure, especially if you are using a knife to remove the stones. It is best to do this with tweezers or another suitable tool. Remember that for the final finishing of the blade, you should use the final stage of the sharpener. Usually it is marked with the number 3. This step helps to achieve the smoothest and sharpest edge. To check the result of our work, let's conduct a simple test with paper. As you can see, the knife easily and cleanly cuts the sheet, which indicates an acceptable level of sharpness. Thus, even the simplest household knife sharpener can last much longer if you treat it with care and know a few simple secrets for its maintenance. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel to learn more useful life hacks for your kitchen.